Okay, the recording started. Yeah, it's just the two of us right now. Well, hopefully other guys will join, but if not, we'll catch them later.
Yep. All right, let me show you what I got here. Why am I having a hard time opening it?
This was kind of a fun one.
Mini Project 12, right?
Gotta look here. I think that's what it is.
All right, here we go. Share the screen.
Yep, 12.
You see my screen?
Yep, I can.
That's too big.
Oh, and you got a company logo over there,
huh? This is a little company we almost started. It never got off the ground. All right, well, I don't know what you did. I mean, I didn't find this one that fun like you did. I don't know. I mean, it's just not a lot of calculating or anything. It's just kind of formatting the screen, which is obviously what we've been learning.
Oh, okay.
Gold and silver. I mean, do these look right? I've got X's and exclamation points were needed. Sorted right. The data bar. I can't think of any practical application you'd ever actually do that, but
with the bar itself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just for show.
Yeah, just kind of help.
And gold and silver clients.
Yep. Where'd you do the calculation there? Did you do that on this page or did you do it on the sales page?
No, I just did it right here.
Okay.
I have a hidden column for the prior 3 month sales right here.
Oh, you do? Okay.
So it's just saying, look at those two. All right. I mean, there's nothing.
The only thing that I can see there.
Nope.
Sorry. Go ahead.
I was gonna say, any questions about it? Anything you want to comment? Something I should fix?
The only thing that I'm wondering about is I'm looking at your. I think, yeah, unless I got it wrong, you have it a little bit different. So I have the marks, the X's and the exclamation marks.
Yeah.
I have them on 91 days, 60 to 91, 91 plus, 60 to 91, 30 to 60, and 30 and the 0 to 30 days overdue. I don't have it on the current one. Does that make sense to you?
You kind of cut in and out there.
So when I did mine, I've got okay. I guess,
you know, as you were saying that, I'm realizing that these aren't. I only put horizontal lines in, but maybe I need column lines here. So you could, because you're right. This X looks like it belongs to this number.
Yeah.
Good call. Let's just put all grid lines here.
I just want to make sure you didn't have it in the wrong spot, because you don't want to.
Let's just go all borders. There, that looks a little better, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I was just a little confused as I was looking. I'm like, wait a minute. But yeah, you definitely got it right. Or at least that's the same way I did it.
All right, cool beans.
I'll show you mine. Let's see. Share.
Oh, how did you do your data bar? Like, what'd you base your thing on?
The data bar?
Yeah, like, did you change it? Yours looks like it's.
No, I just did the default one.
I played with a bunch of different ways to do that one, but yeah, I just went the minimum high. I couldn't think of another one that would make sense there.
Yeah, I didn't either unless you've got like some type of threshold for, a max number there. It doesn't really make much sense to do anything other than that.
I started playing with the data bar based on percentage of being a gold customer, so they'd be full bars for the gold guys, and then how close they would be. And then I just said, you know what, they're not asking to get that complicated, so I'm not going to do it.
Yeah. So did did you have totals on yours for all these?
Yeah, but yours looks prettier than mine. Mine were just right above it.
Okay, I was just wondering. I didn't happen to notice that. So mine on my monthly sales, I actually did the averages over here and computed the class over here, and then I just did a lookup.
Look up to put them over there.
I did lookups for those, just cause.
Yeah, no, it's great.
And then yeah, I got these, and these look the same as what you had on yours, and with the gold and silver thing. I didn't find any of this one too difficult. It's simply time consuming.
Yeah, it just took a little time to do it. Did you already get your test done?
I have not finished the exam yet. I've got the last little bit to do, the last piece.
Actually, I bet you I was probably the first guy turned in. I did it last Thursday.
Oh, nice.
Like the morning after our call, I wanted to get that because I hadn't done the 2 assignments from last week. So I did those, and I said, let's keep going. I'm on a roll.
Nice.
Did the exam as well. Question for you about this week's assignment. I'm so confused about the idea thing. I'm trying to pull it up. What are we supposed to do? We're supposed to post about some idea we have for our final project.
Well,
where can
so
I
yeah.
read about that? I was clicking all over the place trying to find out project idea instructions. Like you would think project idea instructions would tell us some ideas. It has nothing.
I know I don't think there's any ideas with it at all that were.
What idea? Like, what am I supposed to do? The instructions are so vague.
So you did find the original instructions for it, right?
No, I clicked everywhere. I went through everything. I swear I clicked. I got so frustrated. I finally got ready to email the instructor. But where do we find what are we supposed to be doing for this final project?
Find here. So
Where'd you go?
So I went to content and then table of contents. And then if you go way
Table
down
of contents. Okay, hang on, I'm trying to go there. Why can't I log in?
And then once you get there, you go all the way down to lesson 14.
Oh, it's in the future, not in the past.
Well, I think there's one that was like in the first week or something, but
why would they not have the instructions on the week that they're telling us to post something about it? Like, how hard would it be to post those in there? It doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, this is a share. Explain what you did. Oh, so this is actually sharing. That's not even the instructions.
Like, do you already know what the answer is? Like, what are we supposed to be doing?
Well, you're just supposed to pick something that's going to be of benefit to you, your family, your church calling, or work.
Okay, I could make a spreadsheet of emergency numbers to post on the fridge. Is that enough of a project? Like, what?
I think you're supposed to incorporate things that we learned in this class.
Great, I'll do some conditional formatting. If it starts with 911, I'll put it in, red.
Let's see.
I use spreadsheets all the time. I just turn in something I'm doing that I actually use.
Oh, there's the instructions.
You found something? Lesson exam 5.
No, that's the share instructions. Talk on it. Oh, I've seen them. Personal application project. There you go.
You found something?
Yep.
Okay, you're actually clicking on exam number 5. That's what you're doing.
Yeah, at the very end, in lesson 14. An advanced Excel spreadsheet that would be very beneficial for one of the following.
But what's advanced? That's all relative. What's advanced to one person, maybe not advanced to another? I have no idea.
Yeah.
Oh, project must be newly created during this semester. Okay, great. Should not be associated with another course. Yeah. You should carefully keep track of how much time you spend on the project. Like, if it takes me an hour, or does it take me 12 hours? I don't understand.
You're supposed to keep track in total, I think, like how much time in total you spent.
This is essentially 100 points for exam number 5. This is exam number 5.
Yep. Your project should involve some of the most advanced Excel function formulas and capabilities that are covered in this course. So.
All right. Well, thanks for pointing that out. That doesn't give enough direction, but
You just got to pick something that's going to work for you.
Something I got to post this week, huh?
I don't know whether you actually have to post it or not, but.
Oh, you don't? I just love this.
I don't know for sure if you have to, but I just posted stuff on mine. I don't know that it was an absolute requirement.
All right, sir. I think that's
okay.
it.
Well, we'll see you in a little over an hour for meeting number 2. Hopefully somebody else will show up.
I will not be there.
Okay.
I have another event I have to go to tonight, so I'm going to have to skip out on the next meeting.
Okay. No problem. You're pretty much all done anyways, right?
Yeah. I mean, my last thing for the week right now is just to post or whatever this assignment is. I'm having a hard time. My screen's freezing. Trying to find out what this last little thing is that's asking us to do this week. Do you have it? Can you click on it? Because I don't know why also my BYU Brightspace thing is frozen.
So you're wondering what the last thing is for this week?
Never mind. Here it's finally.
So this week we have assignment 20.
We only had the one mini project this week, right?
Yeah. just mini project 12, assignment 21, and then
This,
the personal application project ideas, and
that's what I need to do. That says that's due today. Okay, so some people have posted here finally. Oh,
and
you
then,
posted.
and then just the exam. Yeah.
This
I
is
posted.
you, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I don't know whether you have to do it or not, but I did. It doesn't say anything about that you have to post or anything, but
All right, it does. It
this
says
discussion is only to share ideas for project, make suggestions about what the project could do, how it could be helpful, what the design might look like, and what type of project you're doing is what you should be posting here. So,
all right, I'll come up with something. Brian, thank you. Until next week.
hey, sounds good. Have a good night.
All right, same to you. Bye.
Yep, thanks. Bye.